Hey, what's up, guys? This is boy Dennis here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share this video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys on how you can buy Bitcoin all over the world using card, especially if you are living in South Africa, because most of Bitcoin wallet in South Africa, they are restricted. They don't allow you to buy using a card. So today I'm going to show you how you can use your card and buy Bitcoins that invest in. So as you can see, guys, before I was using this wallet called the Altcoin Trader. I think most of people knows about this. This Altcoin Trader is based in South Africa. So I was using this also to buy a Bitcoin. You know, I've been buying some few Bitcoin, but actually I never use my card. So I was just depositing directly in my bank account. So what I was doing is, let me show you some previous history here. Let's start with the deposit on how I do it. Actually, I've made a lot of money in Bitcoin. Guys, if you're interested in how to make money, please make sure you check the links in the system. As you can see, guys, I've been depositing here. This is a depositing Litecoin. I deposited so much, and BTC, I deposited 0.009. BTC again. This is a South African rand, 1,310. Again, Bitcoin. Again, Bitcoin. You know, again, Bitcoin. 800. Again, Bitcoin. Yeah, these are my deposits. I've been depositing also. See, deposit. All of these are the deposit. You know, using FNB. So I was using FNB. So FNB, as you can see here, some of them. Yeah. So let's check also my withdrawals. I made quite of money using Altcoin Trade as well. Withdrawals, these are the withdrawals, 83, 400, blah, blah, blah. These are my withdrawals that have been withdrawn, 1,500, you see. So yeah, this the thing works, guys. So this is the thing that you're interested in making. Make sure you click, look at this one, BTC, you know, BTC. So yeah, calculate this one, guys. BTC 0.07 in South African rand. You see how much? It's a lot of money, you know. 0.07 is a lot of money. Let me calculate here. How much is how much is 0.077 Bitcoin US dollars. So let's check this how much. So it's a lot of money, guys. I made quite a little bit of money here. Some expense. As you can see, it's 2,800 US dollars, guys. You know, yeah, quite 2,000 US dollars. It's 2,700 US dollars. So 700 US dollars in rand. Calculate is how much? So 7. Just giving you an example. I'm not bluffing, guys. I'm sorry about that. I'm just showing you only how this thing works, and this thing is real, you know. Okay, so how much is 2,700? Isn't dollar sign. Okay, 1,700. This 2,700 US dollars to rand to rand. So that can rand. Okay, this is how much here. Boom, boom, boom. Find quite nice exchange rate here. Okay, this one. I don't want to make video long, guys. So I'm sorry, I just want to show you all. Yeah, that's it. Let's wait for a network. Okay, so as you can see, it's 42,000 and 2,000 something in rand. That's a money that I've been making. And it's not only one payment, guys. As you can see, it's been consistently a lot of money, as you can see. A lot of Bitcoin that have been withdrawn. These are only withdraw. Also, there's the runs here, so Bitcoin runs. So a lot of things, guys. So yeah, that's it, guys. And yeah, if you're interested in learning, I'll leave the link in the description. There's all of things that you have to know, So, okay, let's go to the topic. Let me show you how you can buy Bitcoin now using a credit card, There's a site, new site called KuCoin. This is a site that you're going to use. So make sure you click, you sign up first with everything, put in the right information. Then once you're done, and you're good to go. You'll leave the link in the description below as well. Let me log in using my account. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. Just make sure you sign up and yeah, you're good to go, guys. That's why successful login. Boom. My laptop is a little bit slow because there's a lot of things also I'm downloading down easy, you can see. But yeah. Okay, here we are, guys. So once this is a new account that I've created, but it works. And also don't forget, guys, if you use the link that I'm going to leave in the description below, the first deposit that you're gonna make, you're gonna claim some USDC for free, guys. What does that mean? Okay, you receive something like this message here when once you click that link, you earn some free bonuses. These are free bonuses. I think it's close to 500 USDT. So remember, one USDT is 1 rand. So you're gonna earn those 5 USD. As you can see, bonus, guys. You can earn up to 500 USDT free, guys. So make sure you use the link in the description. Then you are good to go. As you can see, to earn those bonuses, rules, they're active for new users only. The new users, those who sign up KuCoin after the launch of this activity in 16 minutes. What? Each new user has only one chance to draw the blind box. For the first deposit or transfer amount of USDT, users can win 1 draw. Bonus amount is randomly distributed in the blind box. So yeah, just make sure you read all this. Then you're good to go to earn this 500 USDT for free, guys. So let's get started. So how do you buy any coin, any cryptocurrency? Just come here. Yeah, let's say buy crypto. Just buy. Just wait for it to load. Okay, so you just type anything. Let me say 600 US dollars. Then okay, USDT. Okay, in case if you want to earn those free 500 USDT, make sure you buy USDT here. Okay, it doesn't matter because also it's coin. As you can see, you buy with Visa, so you can just click buy and you follow the information, put the information with your card there, then you're good to go. So as you can see, you can buy Bitcoin all over the world, not only in South Africa, all over the world using your Visa card, guys. So this is simple, guys. Make sure you follow all of this step by step and you're good to go. You just click here, verify your identity, put everything clear, and you're good to go. So this is how, guys, you buy Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency using your card Visa. It's not difficult, guys. You have to put on your number of card Visa, everything. I hope you know everything, guys. So yeah, that's it, guys. So thanks so much, guys, if you understand this video. If you have any question, please make sure you comment down below. I'll be able to answer all the questions in the description below. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you again in the next video. So yeah, bye.